exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.2 has all word problems, children. Okay, that problems will be taught after teaching the methods of solving the different types of equations. Okay, children. Now we go for exercise 2.3, first problem. Now what is the first problem here? You see, solve the following equations. Just only you solve enough. No need of what checking your answer. Understand? Only we are going to solve the equations that are given in this exercise. We are not going to check the result. Okay? Now you see the first problem. 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So in this equation, both LHS and RHS have variables. Now you see the second, 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So in this also we have both sides, that is LHS and RHS have variables. Okay. Now these type of equations, how to solve these type of equations? Let us see. Now what is the given equation? Tell me. 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Now we bring the variable part, that is 2x to LHS. So when we transpose a positive term from one side to another side, it becomes what? A negative term, isn't it? Therefore what do you get here? 3x plus 2x comes this side as minus 2x equals to, and 18 is there in what? RHS. Now 3x minus 2x gives you x equals to 18. So this is the solution for the equation 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, children. Now we move to the second problem. Now what is the second equation? 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So here 3t you have to bring to LHS and minus 3t you have to take to RHS. Now what happens? Tell me. 5t. Here 3t is what? Not a positive term. So when we brought to LHS, it becomes minus 3t equal to, already in RHS we have minus 5. Now minus 3 from LHS is transposed to RHS. So minus 3 will go to RHS as plus 3. Okay, Nana? Now we simplify. 5t minus 3t gives you 2t equal to minus 5 plus 3 means 3 minus 5. Okay, smaller number is subtracted from, bigger number is subtracted from what? To smaller number. So here what is the answer will be minus 2. Therefore we get 2t equals to minus 2. Therefore what is t will be equal to minus 2 by 2 is in multiplication. So in RHS it goes in what? Division. Okay. Now minus 2 by 2. These two gets cancels for how many times? 1 times. Therefore t is equals to minus 1. And this is the answer for this equation. Now we move on to the third problem. Now what is the given equation here? 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. So variables all we have to group in LHS, constant terms all we have to group in what? RHS. Therefore we transpose 3x from RHS to LHS. Now here you have plus 3x. When you transpose to LHS it becomes minus 3x. Already in RHS I have 5. Now when we transpose plus 9 to RHS, it becomes minus 9. Now 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x. And 5 minus 9. See, bigger number is subtracted from smaller number. Therefore, the answer will be in what, Nana? Minus. And then we have to subtract 9 minus 5. What is that? 4. Now x equals to minus 4. 2 is in multiplication. So when it taken to RHS, it comes in what? Division. Now 2 cancels 4 for 2 times. And here it goes for what? 1 time. Therefore x equals to minus 2 by 1. That is minus 2. Therefore the solution for this equation is x equals to minus 2. Okay, now we go for the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? Tell me. 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. So here also plus 2z is brought to LHS and plus 3 is taken to what? RHS. Now doing so, what do you get? 4z plus 2z comes to LHS as minus 2z and plus 3 goes to RHS as minus 3. Now 4z minus 2z gives you 2z equal to 6 minus 3 gives you 3. Now 2 is in multiplication. So when we take 2 to RHS, it goes to division. Therefore we get z equals to 3 by 2. And this is the solution for this particular equation. Now we move on to the next two problems. Problem number 5 and problem number 6. Now what is problem number 5? 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. Now we transpose minus x to LHS and minus 1 to RHS. So doing so, what do you get? Tell me. 2x minus x when we brought to LHS, it becomes 1 plus x, and then I have in RHS 14 minus 1 is taken as plus 1 to RHS. Now simplify LHS and RHS. Now when we simplify LHS, what do you get? 2x plus x equals to 3x. And when we simplify RHS, 14 plus 1 equals to 15. Now 3 is in product with x. So when we take 3 to RHS, it goes to the denominator of the 15. Now 3 cancels 15 for how many times? 5 times. Therefore x equals to 5. And this is the solution for this equation. Now we come to problem number 6. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now listen here, in RHS 3 is multiplied with a binomial. So we have to multiply 3 with x and also with the minus 1. Understand? So that the bracket can be what? Removed. Okay, now let us see. 8x plus 4 equals to 3 into x gives you 3x. Now 3 into minus 1, how do you multiply? First we multiply the sign. 3 is positive, here I have negative. So plus into minus is minus, and then 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Before we transpose the term, we simplify RHS. Okay. Now what do you have? 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. That means it is in the form of 7 minus 3. That is equals to how much? 4. Now we transpose 3x toward the LHS and plus 4 to RHS. So what do you get here? 8x minus 3x equals to 4 minus 4. So 8x minus 3x is 5x and 4 minus 4 equals to what? 0. Now here 5 is in what? Multiplication. Therefore, it is taken to the denominator of the 0. Now 0 divided by any number is what? 0. Therefore, the solution for this equation is x equals to 0. Let us see the solution for problem number 7 and problem number 8. Now what is the equation given in problem number 7? X equal to 4 by 5 of x plus 10. Now 4 by 5 is multiplied with the binomial x plus 10. So before we multiply the binomial with the 4 by 5, what we will do? We take this 5 to LHS. Now 5 is in what? Denominator. That means 5 is in division. When a number in division transposed from one side to another side, it goes in what? Multiplication. Therefore, when we take 5 to LHS, it becomes what? 5x. And then we have in RHS 4 into x plus 10. Got it? Now again the next step you see 5x equals 2. Now 4 is multiplied with x and what 10. Now we multiply 4 into x gives you 4x plus 4 into 10 gives you 40. Now we transpose 4x to LHS. So what I get, tell me, 5x minus 4x equals to 40. And 5x minus 4x equals to x, and in RHS we are going to have the number 40. Therefore, the solution for this equation is x equals to 40. Okay, now we move on to the 8th problem. Now you see here 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by x by 15 plus 3. So here we have rational coefficients, but don't worry children, just you transpose the terms first. 7x by 15 comes to LHS and plus 1 goes to RHS. So what you have in LHS, 2x by 3 plus 7x by 15 will come to LHS as minus 7x by 15. That is equal to plus 3 already there in RHS. Now plus 1 goes to RHS as minus 1. Now here you see the denominator I have 3 and here I have what number 15. So what are the denominators I have? 3, 15. Find the LCM. 3 times. 1 time and it is 5 times. Now what is the LCM? 3 ones are 3 into 5. 15 is the LCM. So now here we write the denominator as 15. Now 3 goes in 15 for how many times? 5 times. Therefore this numerator is multiplied by 5. Now 15 divides 15 for how many times? 1 time. Therefore this numerator should be multiplied by 1. Now 2x into 5 means what you get? 10x. And 7x into 1 I get minus 7x equals to 3 minus 1, 2. Now you see 10x minus 7x, what do you get? 3x by 15 equals to 2. Now first we take 15 to RHS. So we get 3x equals to 2 into 15. Because 15 is in what? The denominator. So a number in denominator when transposed to RHS, it goes in multiplication. Okay. So what we have now here? 3x equals to 2 into 15. How much? 30. Now what is x equals to then? 30 by 3. Because 3 is in multiplication. When it transposed to RHS, it goes to denominator. Now 3 cancels 30 for how many times children? 10 times. Therefore, the solution for this equation is x equals to 10. Now we see the solution for the last 2 problems of this exercise. Okay children? Now you see here. What is the equation given here? 2y plus 3 plus 1 equals to 26 by 3 minus y. Now as usual we transpose y to LHS and 1 to RHS. So what do you get here? Tell me. 2y by 3 minus y comes to the side as what? Plus y. And here what I get? 26 by 3 plus 1 goes to side as what? Minus 1. Now here how to simplify this I will tell you. 2y by 3 plus y can be written as a rational number as what? Y by 1. Okay. Equals to here 26 by 3 minus 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Now here we go for cross multiplication method. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 2y, I have 2y, plus 3 into y, I have 3y. Okay, nada? Now, in RHS, cross multiply. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 26. 26 again here minus 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now 2y plus 3y equals to 5y by 3 equals to 26 minus 3. 23 by 3. Now listen here. In LHS, this is considered as what a single term because 5 and 3 is in multiplication. 5 is in multiplication and 3 is in division. Here also it is considered to be what a single term. So when LHS and RHS are of single term and the denominators are same, we can cancel these denominators. Okay, Nana? Now what do you get? Tell me. 5y equals to 23. Therefore, what is the answer here? Y equals to 23 by 5 is the solution for this equation. Okay. Now we go for the last problem of this exercise. Now what do you have, Nana? 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Here only one transposition. What is that? 5m is brought to what? To LHS. Okay. So we have 3m plus 5m comes to LHS as what? Minus 5m equals to minus 8 by 5. Now 3m minus 5m is equals to minus 2m equals to minus 8 by 5. Now in LHS also we have a single term. In RHS also we have a single term. And this is negative and this is also negative. When LHS and RHS are single terms and they are of negative side, we can cancel this negative side. Okay. So we have 2m equal to 8 by 5. Now we have to take two words, RHS. Normally we write in what? Denominator. But already there we have a denominator called what? 5. Therefore, how do you write this? Tell me. M equal to 8 by, already in denominator I have 5 and this 2 also comes to the denominator. So now in denominator we have 5 into 2. Okay. Now 2 cancels 8 for how many times? 4 times. Therefore, the final solution for this equation is M equals to 4 by 5.